homies. Ended up as
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is on a brand that I've worked with but only like one time, and it was years and years ago. So I'm very excited to get back working with them and to share with you guys this new and very interesting wig. Alright you guys, before we get started, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. Alright, so without further ado, today's wig is from Luvwin Hair. Luvwin Hair was so kind to send me over a nice little package. And first, the package has a wig cap, it has a lace band, it has a comb inside, 2 large alligator clips. Yes, so this is great, everything you need to get your wig together. And here is the units. We have a salt and pepper wig today. We have a salt and pepper unit, which is very exciting, a little terrifying as well, but I am excited because yeah, I think I'll be one of the girlies who does turn gray, and I hope I'll be one that embraces it. My mom is not. She's like, I'm too young, I'm not gonna be gray, absolutely not. So she keeps her hair nice and dark. Well, she does like auburn, that's her favorite color, but I always try to convince her to wear her gray, so I would be a total hypocrite if I wouldn't wear it. But I'm very excited about this unit. It's curly. I think it's gonna give us a nice like curly bush type of style, and I love mine with a bang. I'm gonna obviously show you different ways to style it, but I love my curly fluffy ringlet wigs with a bang because for me it's much easier for me to throw it on and go if it does have a bang, and then I don't have to worry about laying lace. Oh wow, the lace is already pre-cut, which is huge. That is a big plus. The lace already very much so melts into my skin tone, so we won't have to do a whole lot in terms of blending. Lots and lots and lots of parting space in here. Love that. It's a full frontal, and you have a lot of parting space. You have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the center at the top, 1 comb in the back. You have your silicone grip, and then you have your silicone lined elastic band that is adjustable. And it is removable as well if you don't prefer the elastic band. So cap construction literally thought of everything. It doesn't look like we have a part already created in here. This may be a part that they already kind of laid down, but of course you can do your own thing. So let's go ahead and take this off. I do have braids in my hair, just going to the back. All right, so we're gonna tint the lace. I just grabbed one of my skin tints. I'm just gonna add a little bit on here. And then I'm gonna add some right around the edge of the lace. Okay. All right, so next step is I'm gonna cut the ear tab lace a little bit to free up the ear tab. Don't judge me, I'm using cuticle scissors. The ear tab in case I need more space. And then we will work on these curls. So we definitely have parting aplenty, which is great. Go ahead and tease this out to get the volume that I want, and then we will get the cut that I want after we tease it out. I love it. All right, we're going to do a little shaping. Cut a little off the sides, get rid of some of these stray hairs, get this bang together, and add a little more volume at the top. But yeah, this is gorgeous. Very, very gorgeous. So I'm gonna go grab my scissors. I'll be right back. Right? Thanks, babe.
But it makes you look like old lady.
An old lady? You think so?
Mm-hmm.
I think if I had hair like this and I was an old lady, I would look like a hot old lady.
Well, I mean, your facial features don't really match the way like your hair looks. Like, you look like an old, beautiful woman.
Oh,
but it makes you look older than you are.
You think so?
Uh-huh.
I think it looks pretty fun.
But I like it. It looks good.
Thank you, baby.
It's like the way that grandma has her hair.
Thanks. You heard it here first. It's the way a grandma would have her hair, but it's a beautiful old grandma. So I'm gonna take this off. Take this bad boy off. Okay. I'm gonna take some of this off. I'm gonna use a little bit of alcohol to take some of that off. Actually, maybe not alcohol. Maybe I'll just use a little bit of oil. There we go. And then what I'm gonna do is just pull a couple of these curls down so the edges are not so perfect, because this is the type of hair where you don't actually want perfect edges. All right, you guys, so here is the end result after the cut. And yeah, I didn't have to do a lot of styling, y'all. I literally just, you know, pulled some pieces to the front and just kind of rubbed them a little bit just to make them look a little less perfect. I did leave this side the way it is, but I do find that with curly wigs, if you just kind of manipulate them a little bit, they look great. And you don't need a whole lot of baby hairs and stuff like that. So yeah, I think this looks so good. I think it looks so nice. This is what it's looking like. in the back and the front. I don't know, you guys. I really like how it looks. I think it looks amazing. I love this wig. It's a very easy going wig. Very easy to style. Yeah, all I have to do is really just lay the lace on one side, and outside of that, I don't think I need to do anything else. Let me know what you guys think of this salt and pepper wig. I think it's really a vibe. Definitely a vibe. And very unexpected for me. If you guys like this top, super cute, right? Bell sleeves. It's from a store called Shop Cider, which I'm obsessed with. If you like things that have kind of a 70s vibe or like a retro vibe, they have everything. You will love everything there. Yeah, I highly recommend you check them out. It'll be linked in the product section of this video. This hair will be linked in the video as well. Check the description box. And if I missed anything, I will absolutely answer your questions or your comments in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Once again, thank you so much, Luvwin Hair, for sending this over. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Go back to how it was. Lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover.